Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add money in OPay wallet. Okay, so the first thing I want you to do is to launch the OPay app on your smartphone. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to your device's app store for Android users, open the Google Play Store for iOS users, head to Apple App Store. In the search bar, go ahead and type OPay and tap install or get. Once installed, open the app. Now enter your registered phone number and PIN to log in. If you're new to OPay, you will need to create an account first. Now once you log in, on the home screen, locate and tap on the Add Money button. Now once you do that, this will take you to the funding options. OPay offers several ways to fund your wallet. You can use bank transfer via USSD. Select bank USSD from the list of options. Once you select that, you're going to need to choose your bank from the list provided. Now, enter the amount. Once you choose your bank from here, from this drop down, enter the amount you wish to add. A unique USSD code will be generated. Now, dial the code on your phone and authorize the transaction using your bank's PIN. You can also select top up with card. Okay, top up with card and account. So once you do that, enter the amount you wish to add, input your debit card details, card number, expiry date, CVV, enter the OTP sent to your phone to authorize the transaction. You can also choose bank transfer. So just go ahead and click on bank transfer. Then select OPay digital services. Once you do that, enter. So once you click on that, you're going to have to copy details. Now enter your OPay account number. That's the 10 last digits of your registered phone number, which is here already. Then input the amount you wish to offer and complete the transaction. So here you have to share details or copy number, and that's it. That's it. So you can also select cash deposit. Select cash deposit. Now tap on find nearby OPay merchants to locate an agent near you. Visit the agents with your cash and provide your OPay account number. The agent will deposit the funds into your wallet and you receive a confirmation notification. After completing a transaction using your chosen method, you will receive a confirmation notification. Your OPay wallet balance will be updated instantly. And that's it. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.